My name's Duncan Newman and I'm an Economic Development Manager for Bournemouth, Christchurch and Poole. I'm also Chair of the Dorset Engineering and Manufacturing Cluster. So, you think you might know what an engineer is? Well, come with me and we'll meet some real live engineers and you can find out just how rewarding a career in engineering can be and how someone just like you can influence the world.
We are Gamma Aviation. As a company, we maintain and facilitate air ambulances.
I like to be able to see how things connect mechanically. And if something's not working, I like to figure out how. I like to be able to fix that. It's challenging, and that's what I love about it. I think a lot of people think that aviation is just private jets or airlines, but it's so much more than that. There's so much more that you can do. It's a lot easier, I think, if you can come in through an apprenticeship and have guidance with that learning, especially with a job which is so hand skills driven.
So, hi guys, we're here at Circular 11 on their beautifully repurposed furniture. Let me quickly introduce you to Connor.
Hi Duncan.
Connor's the owner and one of the founders of Circular 11. So, as a start-up business, tell me a little bit about your journey.
Yeah, well, we started 5 years ago now, not in this particular workshop, but we actually started in the back of an old Arctic lorry.
Wow.
We had very little money, and we just had an idea. And we never really thought it would become what it has become today, but through lots of trial and error and lots of hard work, this is sort of where we are today, producing at some larger volumes. We really wanted to build a company that is impact first and that creates a difference. Now the major problem with plastic is, of course, that a large volume of it isn't recycled. And so over the last 4 years, we've created technology that allows us to do just that and take all of the waste streams that are going to incineration or landfill and create them into new products that are sort of designed to last a lifetime. Milk bottles, plant pots, tubs, trays, buckets, crisp packets, coffee pouches, all sorts of things, blended all together and create our plastic lumber. So I think that apprenticeships are really important and such a great way to start your career and pick up new skills. I myself started my journey through an apprenticeship in carpentry and joinery. I went up through the ranks over the years, tried different things. It was truly a unique opportunity. I was learning so much more than I could in the classroom because it's real world experience and it takes you out the boundaries of a textbook.
My name's Daniela and I'm the sales engineer at Motion Control Products. Motion Control Products is a company that specialises in motors, actuators, drives and electrical components. We supply a range of different OEMs. We're in various different industries like automotive, medical, industrial, warehouse automation. So basically anything that moves, we specialise in supplying the components for it.
My name's Kitty Clarkson and I'm a mechatronics engineer here at Motion Control Products. We provide a lot of technical support to our customers. Obviously we sell a large variety of products, so we like to help our customers create full system solutions. When I was younger, I used to think engineering was just about using tools, fixing cars, boats, transport, getting dirty, getting mucky and getting greasy. And yes, whilst that's still a part of engineering, there's so many other engineering options out there. There's something to suit everyone.
Hello, this is Dan from Field International, the Managing Director.
Here at Field, we are a global manufacturer of tooling and ground support equipment for the aircraft industry and provide into the defence sector mainly a range of machined and kitted componentry.
Hi, I'm Jamie. Hi, I'm Ollie. We work for Field International. We are the first apprentices in 4 years.
I'm a newer apprentice. I've been here for only 3 months now. I'm still in inspection, but I'm heading into assembly soon.
Working in the aerospace sector is exciting. You get to see aeroplanes, you get to see how they work. The reality is that anything that we see, do, feel, touch in life is affected by engineering. Engineering has an input to pretty much everything, and I think that's something people don't realise and don't understand.
My name's Donna Campo. I'm Operations Director at Reed Steel. And we design, manufacture and construct a wide range of large aircraft hangars, bridges, football stadiums and all manner of structures. And we've exported to over 140 countries around the world. It's quite exciting to think about all of the roles that have been a part of that. Designers who have done the concept and they've done all the detailed calculations, thinking about and where in the world the structure's going to be and whether there are any environmental matters to take into consideration, all the detailed mathematical calculations for the welds and the connections. Detailers who do the more detailed designs, all of the support functions, our project managers and our estimators, and then our fabricator welders in the factory who are cutting and drilling and welding these items together. So there's a good opportunity to come in and learn the steel detailing, cladding detailing, and how it all fits together.
So now we've met some real-life Dorset engineers, come with me and meet some more, and you can find out how rewarding engineering can be.
Hi, I'm Matt. I'm a production engineer here at Parvalux.
Hi, I'm Harry. I'm a digital marketing apprentice. We design, engineer and manufacture electromotors for all kinds of applications like stair lifts, powered wheelchairs and automatic doors. The apprenticeship helps to build your own skills and knowledge about different areas and just learning things that otherwise you might not normally learn. Make yourself known, make your skills known and what you want to do. Willingness to learn, willingness to bounce back from failures or setbacks is a really big characteristic that Parvalux looks for. Not every day is easy, but as a team, we can get through a lot of problems, a lot of challenges together.
I'm Lee. I work for Oshida Europe. I've been here for 18 and a half years now. If you go into any sort of supermarket, you can see products that we've helped package throughout the world, from chicken at Tesco to Walker's crisps. You could have a whole table filled with products that everyone uses in day-to-day life. Engineering has been a blessing to me. I got to the end of school and really didn't enjoy it. I always liked using my hands, and engineering is all about that. It's about learning hand skills, using your brain, and I think that really helped me transfer from school life to work life.
Hi, I'm Caspar.
And I'm Ben.
We're here on our break right now, having a little game of pool, and we thought we'd talk about our experiences at KDC and how we got started. I've always been interested in design and I guess machinery. I like cars, I like bikes.
Yeah, I kind of fell into it myself. Always liked the creative side of it, coming up with different ideas, and problem solving always kind of excited me in a way. For example, like someone's had to make this pool table, right?
Yeah.
And they would have maybe designed it on the computer so that you can have a 3D model and you can spin it around, you can see how it pieces together.
Engineering is an ever-evolving thing.
Yeah, that's what I love about it. It's always moving.
Yeah, it keeps you on your toes. You never know what's going to happen next.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Will. I'm an apprentice engineer at Curtis Wright. I work on all types of different products for aircraft, helicopters, planes, military.
I'm Toby and I'm a second-year industrial engineering apprentice. We design complex power chair systems. It's a nice thing to work on because it's a rehab application chair, so it's going to be helping people who can't otherwise do things without that.
My name's Wesley Hamer. I'm one of the directors at WRES Limited. We're a welding fabrication company that work in various fields. You tend to find, particularly with us, we're quite a small team of parts. You can be quite hands-on and deal with different areas of the business. One day you could be folding parts, laser cutting. Every day is different. Some advice I would give anyone looking to take an active role in this sort of environment: find something you enjoy. If you think, I want to give that a go, don't be frightened, give it a go.
My name's Harry Dodge. I'm the Business Development Manager at Norco Composites. Norco Composites are a manufacturer of large, complex composite structures, everything from F1 vehicles all the way to periscopes for submarines. One of the programs that we're working on at the moment is with a company called Vertical Aerospace. They're making electric vertical takeoff and landing flying taxis. We work in quite a niche area of engineering, but it's growing rapidly. And what we've recognised is that we have a lot of experience within the team that's able to educate someone as they're coming through. So from the entry level to college-age students, we have a training programme that works specifically to give young people practical skills and actually learn how to do the production on the shop floor.
My name's Chris Baggs. I'm the Technical Director for Lickpair Engineering. I've been with the company for 13 years now, and I'm responsible for the offline programming, sales and the facilities of the company. If you enjoy doing things with your hands and looking at sort of a Formula One car and watching it on the TV, creating something that goes on that car is very, very rewarding, very satisfying. to watch that car go around and saying, you know, I had something to do with that. That win is on me.
I suppose it does sort of give you a pride because you're helping not just yourself, but you're also making the bits to help other people as well, which I suppose in the big overview of engineering, being a part of that to keep advancing medical sectors and all of that and just making it grow and make you feel proud about what you do.
Hi there, my name's James Hills and I'm a Director of Learning at Bournemouth and Poole College and I cover the engineering sectors. I'm here to tell you about how you can get into some of these amazing industries you've seen throughout this video. Here at the college we work with over 150 employers every year, all the way from apprenticeships through to degree level programmes. We have courses that do run from level 1 for those people that are trying to get into the industry and maybe need a little bit more support, all the way through to degree level with Bournemouth University at the heart of our courses. If you want to be in engineering, we can help you no matter your starting point, no matter your age, no matter what you currently do. Attached to this video will be a QR code or a link below the video of how to get in touch with the college. Just get in touch with us and we can offer you the careers advice and guidance for how to get to the industry that you would like to get to, but also what the industry has to offer. You don't have to come to the college knowing exactly where you want to go in engineering, but if engineering has that little spark of interest for you, come to the college and we can make it happen.